Well, happy Thursday. So here's your assignment for today. You are going to read through this PowerPoint and you're going to read about inherited traits. All of our traits are in the chromosomes that are in our cells. So as we look at this, you're going to read through this PowerPoint, and in this PowerPoint there's information that you're going to read through, and you're going to answer questions. Here you're going to read, go to the next one, read about Gregory Mendel and so on. Then you're going to come to these, read these, and you're going to click, and you are going to answer what they ask for. Then, after doing that, you go to the next one and read, and then go to the next one. And here they talk about traits. They talk about dominant genes. And you go to the next one. And then it says, what dominant traits do you see in this family? You click, you answer the questions, and so on, all the way through until the end. So this is your job for today. So take your time, read it, answer the questions on your own, and learn about inherited traits. So have a good day.